We are pleased to show you the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, privacy glass, front wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.